we came here because this is part of the continuing, shall we say, strengthening of our healthcare system. Pero bawat tao, ang pinakamahalaga ang kalusugan. Kung titignan ninyo ang ating mga binigay, ay we chose precisely isang model na kayang madaling ayusin, maraming pyesa. Basta alagaan lang ninyo. Alagaan lang ninyo ng mabuti. Tatagal yan. So this is the model that we think is the most practical. It will cover 90+% of all the needs of a patient. He can work as an ambulance, it can work as a transport vehicle. Out of the 1,642 cities and towns, we have been able to give away 1,173 na PTV. So, malapit na. Pinapangako sa akin ni Mel ang ating that by the end of the year, we will start already the second round. Kasi pag natapos na namin, mag 100% na lahat itong 1,642 na bayan at saka lungsod, babalikan din namin. Nagulat ako, binigyan ako ng listahan na meron pa pala tayong mga first-timer dito na first time na magkaroon ng ambulansya sa bayan ninyo. Sa Leyte, Abuyog, first time. Haro, first time. Haro, Cananga, Matalom, Santa Fe. And then in Samar, Tagapulan is the first time na magkaroon ng ambulansya. General MacArthur naman sa Eastern Samar, Salcedo, San Policarpio, Lapinig, San Vicente, Silvino, Lubos. So, I'm very happy to be able to say na marami na rito ay 100% na.
Malaking tulong to, no. Actually, matagal na tong request ng ibang mayors, no. Nakausap ko kanina yung ibang mga mayors ko, no. Some of them talaga yung malalayo pa talaga ng mga munisipyo. Some are, first time na recipient ng PTVs, but yung iba naman po meron na sila, but some of them mga dilapidated na rin daw na they need replacement po nitong mga patient transport vehicles. On behalf of the people of Northern Samar, nagpapasalamat po kami sa ating mahal na Pangulo, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, sa 22 na patient transport vehicles po na natanggap po ng aming 22 na municipalities po. Malaking tulong po ito sa aming lalawigan, especially to our LGUs po, kasi some of our LGUs po, mga 3 oras pa po ang binabiyahe papunta po sa capital town of Catarman, wherein nandun po yung aming Northern Samar Provincial Hospital. So malaking tulong po ito when it comes to transporting our patients, lalo na ngayon gusto rin namin hindi lang yung pag-transport ng patients, even yung post-hospital care po, priority po namin na maihatid rin po sila sa kanilang barangays, para mas convenient po sa aming mga constituents po after po nila sa hospital.
These vehicles will greatly help the local governments, the local mayors, bring their constituents who are in need. In behalf of Palo and my personal and also my mayors in the province of Leyte, we are very grateful to the President Bongbong Marcos for providing us with this. This is one really very vital, very important for our sick people to be brought to care. So we thank the President, and we hope that there will be more of this like this in the future. He is really very generous, and we love him for his generosity.